Hey everyone, so your Whirlpool slash KitchenAid microwave does not want to run. You open the door and your light is off. Mine is on because I just fixed it. But every time you go to press the start button, it says error, open, close door. No matter what you do, the door open, the door closed, it will keep saying that. You're thinking, well, this is great. Especially on something like Whirlpool. My first suggestion is don't buy Whirlpool. Don't buy anything made by them. KitchenAid. While they used to be a great USA company, they are now just absolute garbage. I can't tell you the problems I've had with all of our Whirlpool. I mean, this right here, this stove right here, never mind the cookie sheet there that I just got done using. This is the 7th one we've had. They were all delivered broke. So you say, now back to the topic at hand. How do I get past this open, closed door problem? Well, your problem first is you need to clean. Clean all around here. If you got anything on there, it could help affect the sensors. You can even clean these, not really, but the main issue are these little tiny sensors. Let me switch to a little bit different zoom. Right there, right along the bottom. You can see them. There's another one right there. And another one. And then there's some up here on the top of it. Right along the top. Clean those all off, and if you're still getting the error, come over to the side, and you actually have 3 along the side. Clean those ones as well. Clean up into there, and if you should fix your issue. If not, this can come loose, and just push it, just kind of with your hands, just kind of pull it back down in there a little bit. Someone's slamming the door, something gets caught, or for some reason, that can be the issue. It can be popped out just a tiny smidge, and it's got to contact with your microwave. Or maybe you use something to clean along here that's not providing a good contact. So if that's loose, or any of these little sensors are dirty, it's going to give you that issue, and hopefully that helps you out. Thanks. Subscribe, and please like. It'll help me out. If I can get to 1,000 subscribers, I can monetize and get a few dollars for making these videos. And I'm going to be having a lot of videos coming up, more DIY, and also more lawn tips, and of course I post a lot of gaming tips too. So thanks. We'll see you later.